All right, advanced treble. This is your marching orders for the Sioux prayer, which is the first of the two pieces I'm going to walk you through. First, you're going to need either the physical sheet music to write in, or if you'd prefer, you can use your Chromebook. Some of you probably already know how to write on a PDF with your finger or with a stylus. It doesn't matter. Either one is fine, depending on what you prefer. Okay, so here's how this is going to work. This is mostly a 4-part piece. Occasionally, it has only 3 parts, so I'm going to kind of walk you through the whole thing, how this will go down. All sopranos will enter here, soprano 1 and 2. And for your voice part assignments, make sure you check within the Sing folder. There's a spreadsheet link that shows you what to sing. Okay, we're in the key of D. All sopranos come in here. First note would be me. Okay. Sopranos will trace this line, come down to measure 4. They're all still here. Now this second line is also labeled soprano, but for our purposes, we're going to have this be the alto 1s. So use your pencil, cross this out, alto 1 enters here, alto 2 enters here. The reason for that you can see up here is we're going to have 2 soprano parts at many occasions. So we're going to have all the sopranos together there, singing that. Now once we get to the word wisdom here, that's going to change. Boom. We're going to have soprano 2s now here. Then all altos here. Singing that little duet. Soprano 1s re-enter here. Soprano 2 alto. And that should stay that way till the end of the song. It's a very short song. So for this assignment, we're going to go ahead and have you write in your solfege on the whole song. Okay, you'll take screenshots and or scanned images and upload. Pretty simple. Get to work.